Let's look at the question. We have function defined as f is from R excluding 3y5 to R by fx equals to 3x plus 2 upon 5x minus 3. We need to determine the correct option regarding the inverse of this function or any properties related to it. To solve this problem, let's start by the understanding the function and the concept of the inverse. As the inverse of f inverse, if it exists, then it satisfies the condition f of f inverse of x is equals to x. An inverse function, if it exists, it satisfies the condition f of f inverse of x is equals to x, or f inverse of f of x is equals to x. To find the inverse, we will try to express x in terms of y, where y is equals to f of x. Given that y is equals to 3x plus 2 upon 5x minus 3. Our goal is to rearrange this equation to express x in terms of y. Let's go through the steps. Multiply both sides by this 5x minus 3. So we will get y into 5x minus 3 is equals to 3x plus 2. Now let's expand and rearrange terms involving x on one side. So we will get 5xy minus 3y is equals to 3x plus 2. Bring all terms involving x to one side. So we will get 5xy minus 3x is equals to 3y plus 2. Now factor out x on the left side. What we will get? X into 5y minus 3 is equals to 3y plus 2. Now let's solve for x. So x will be 3y plus 2 upon 5y minus 3. So inverse of the function, that is f inverse of y, is equals to 3y plus 2 upon 5y minus 3. Since we have f inverse of x is 3x plus 2 upon 5x minus 3. To get the inverse of fx, we need to replace x by y and y by x. So we can see f inverse of x is same as f of x itself. It means that f of x is equals to f inverse of x here. So here we have verified the inverse of function and we found that f inverse of x is equals to f of x. So this tells us that the function is self-inverse. This function is self-inverse.